In this video, we're going to take a look at how to get your web hosting account. Now, in order to have any kind of website, you would need a domain name, and of course you would also need a web hosting account. Now, one of the more popular web hosting services on the internet is at HostGator.com. So I'm going to run through some of the packages offered by HostGator.com so you can know which package to choose. Now, the first one you'd probably see here is just the basic hosting account, and the second one is the reseller account, and the third is the dedicated server. Now, if you want to have many websites, then you may consider getting the reseller account, because just by getting the reseller account, then you can always add on new domain names, create new web hosting accounts, etc. for your personal use, and you can also sell off any unused bandwidth to other people and make some money to cover up for your reseller account cost. Now, in the case of a dedicated server, the entire server is owned by you. For web hosting, the normal web hosting, and for reseller accounts, you are usually sharing a particular server with other users as well. Now, for dedicated servers, the entire server is up to you. So you can get the entire server and you can use it for your own personal use, and you can also sell off unused bandwidth to other people. But if you just want to set up a single web hosting account, then you need to explore the normal web hosting account package here and click on Learn More. Now, you probably see two different types of web hosting, which is the Linux web hosting and also the Windows web hosting. But if you plan to use your web hosting to install WordPress and other similar free or open source scripts, then you have to choose Linux web hosting. Now, you can see that HostGator also has several packages. Most of them come with unlimited bandwidth. Some of them you can only use one domain, and for the others you can have unlimited amount of domains which you attach to the hosting account. So you can select the package that you want and just click on order now to proceed to the order page. But you can also check out all the other details of the web hosting account. So I'm going to select the Hatchling package and click order now. Now, on the second page or on the order page, you'll be prompted to either register a new domain name or use an existing domain name and update your name servers only. If you have already purchased a domain name, then you should use this option and enter your domain name. And click on Next. So GoDaddy would confirm that your domain name has been entered correctly and also ask you the billing cycle, if you want to pay monthly, yearly, or even for 3 years. Now, of course, if you select a longer billing cycle, you will be able to get a better discount for your hosting package. And if you have a coupon, you can enter the coupon here and then click on Calculate Totals. And you'll see the second order page here with some confirmation on the options that you just selected. And then you could either tell GoDaddy that you're a new customer, or if you're an existing GoDaddy customer, you can always click on Add this order to my account. When you're done, you can click on Continue. And then basically you would need to fill up the registration form and also enter your desired username and password over here, and then finally select the payment options. You could either pay by credit card or PayPal. And once you've filled up all these options, then you need to probably read the terms and conditions of use, right? And when you're done, click on Yes and then verify my order. Now, in the following page, you'll get a verification screen, and finally, after you've made the payment through your credit card or PayPal account, and then HostGator would start to create your web hosting account. Now, in a matter of maybe from half an hour to perhaps a day or even more, you would get an email from HostGator telling you where you can log into your cPanel account and that email would also contain your cPanel login username and also your cPanel password, so that you can log into your cPanel account and you can always edit your hosting account to add a WordPress blog and etc.